morning. Right, anybody joining me live this morning on Facebook? Let's have a look. Okay. Say hi when you're in the building. Let's have a look. We have got my first live train in 20. Right, here we go. Here we go. Anybody on? Anybody joining me live? Let's just turn my volume off over there. Say hi when you are in. So, all you need this morning is a pair of dumbbells. Now, again, it's entirely up to you what dumbbells you use. Entirely up to you. I have got my 2.5s. I'm only going relatively light for this one because I've got a workout in my hub at 9, which is a 45-minute workout with heavy dumbbells. So I'm going to just go with my 2.5s, okay? Again, you choose whatever you want to go for, make sure you've got correct form. We are going to be doing 6 exercises twice through. So it's a 12-minute workout. We're going to be warming up for about 4 minutes. We're doing the 12-minute session and then we'll be cooling down for the 4 minutes. So round about the 20 minutes, yeah? Let's put the music on and let's get going. Who's on with me live? Ah, yes, I'm Jackie. Hello, Jackie. Haven't seen you in a while. Right, let's go. Right, so... Okay, feet under the shoulders, here we go. Let's go. Toes forward facing. Distribute your weight evenly. Soften your knees and roll your shoulders. Stand up nice and tall. And take some breaths here. Here we've got 4, 3. Now roll the shoulders the other way. Here we go. Draw the belly button in. Gently towards the spine. In 4. We're going to do Shannon squats. In 2 and 1. We take it back. Okay, so remember you're sending your hips back. Not too deep. Keep it going. Good. We've got 4 more. 2 more. Now give me a side bend when you reach the top. Slide the hand down the leg. Good. That's it. Keep this going. Okay, another set coming up. We're then going to do a front raise on in 4, 3, 2, and 1. We're going to go up, up. Elbows bent. Work at the speed because we've got no dumbbells, so we've got to get some warm. Into the shoulders. Woo! And another set. We've got 8, 7, 6, 5. We're going to turn it around. We're going to do a lat raise arm. Here we go. We're going to go out. We're good. And we've got 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Now heel raise at center. Here we go. Up and down. Up. Just lift your heels. Raise it up. Squeeze your abs in. That's it. Keep going. 4 more. And 3. And 2. Give me a bicep curl arm. Here we go. We're going to go. Elbows in. 4, 3, then we're going to bicep curl, touch the shoulders, reach it up, push, and down, up, push. And again, 4 more, 3, 2 more. Now put the arms up to shoulder height, hold it here, elbows soft, and we're going to rotate, we go, right. And centre, and left, and again, we go right. 4 more. 2 more. Now we hold it out, then we bend the elbows and bring the hands in and out. And it's 8, 7, 6. Hey Tracy, good morning. Now hold it out there, no movement, hold it. Take the legs out wider. Let's windmill, hand to opposite foot. Soft knees bending here. I'm not going with a straight leg in the morning, that's for sure. 4, 3, 2 more, 1 more. Now shake it out, march it in. Woo. Shake out the legs. Now roll the shoulders. Good. Now shake everything down. Now, stay with me. How are we doing for time? Good. Now I'm going to show you what we've got. We have got first exercise. Feet under the shoulders. Chest fly, retract. Yeah? You know what I mean? Squeeze your shoulder blades in the back. Squeeze, shoulder blades. Then we go on to stretch. Got 30 seconds of each exercise. Then we've got L-shaped lat raise. Yeah? That like that. And then we've got lovely shoulder stretch. We're going to keep those stretches moving. Bent knee scissor on the floor. Bent knee scissors, trunk rotation, knees over to the side, okay? So lying on your back, bent knee scissor, trunk rotation. Now the next one, lying on your back, legs straight. You're going to do you're going to take the legs down, it's going to be quite hard. Double leg lower into crisscross. So you just keep your legs straight, lower them a little bit, crisscross like that. Okay, I'll offer you obviously easier version if you need to. Then we've got hip thrust. Okay, knee opener, so lie on your back. Hip thrust, open, close the knees, down. Hip thrust, open, close. Then back extensions, lying on your back. And then pump and hollow to finish. Oh, we're doing a good stretch by the way after the hip thrust. Good stretch after the hip thrust. Perfect. Right. Okay, grab your dumbbells, girls. Chest fly is a retraction. So feet under the shoulders. Stand up tall. Relax your shoulders back and down. Open up your chest. Core switched on. We are good to go. 30 seconds. And we have a nice 30 seconds stretch. Quite a nice combo to do that actually. 3, 2, and 1. We're going to come in. Squeeze. Elbows up. In line with your shoulders here. Come on, just 30 seconds here. 3, 2, now down with those weights. Now this is the rest. Oh, I love this stretch. This is one of my favourites. So really exaggerate that move, yeah? Looking down, we're stretching out, shoulder blades pulling apart, looking up, stretching through the chest. Yeah, we've got the L-shaped lat raise, one lat raise, one front raiser, shape L with the dumbbells. Oh, this is so good. In 4, 3, 2, and 1. We go like this. Again, don't go too fast with the dumbbells here. Alternating, one going forward, one going to the side. That lovely shoulder stretch. So elbows down, across, across. Reach it over. Oh, my shoulders are crunching and cracking. Now we're onto the floor. We have got the bent knee scissor. Bent knee scissors next, okay? Right, put that on the floor because I can't see it. Here we go. Okay, so watch the back here. Keep the back either in neutral or you can imprint if you prefer. Knees are bent, bent knee scissor. Breathe. Now, front rotation. Keep down, toes down, rotate. Centre. Now remember, next one we've got the legs up in the air. We lower them slightly and we crisscross the legs. Again, you can keep the legs up. You don't have to lower the legs at all. If you want to keep the legs up completely up above the hips, you can crisscross from there to make it easier.
Get ready. In 4,
Now from here, so we're going to go down and crisscross like this, or you can stay up here and just crisscross from there. Watch the back. Again, it's harder with those straight legs. Woo. Go knees circle. So hug the knees in, and we go. Circle one way, circle the other way. Okay, so we're then going to go into hip thrusts. Okay, hip thrust, knee opener. Then we're going to finish that one with a glute stretch. Okay, that's coming next. This is nice. This is with your back as well. Nice hip opener, nice back stretch. If you want to, you can grab your dumbbells, put them on your hips for the next one. Yeah.
4, 3, 2,
So feet a bit closer, open, and then down. Just brush the mat with your bum. Don't land heavy, brush, push. Squeeze your glutes to the top here.
in 4, 3, 2,
Good, now, one in, glute stretch. Half the time for this one, have a little rock from side to side as well, quite like that. Then we're going to turn it over, and we're going to go into back extension. Switch it over, little rock. Remember, we're lifting up, head and shoulders lifting, and then we're going into hump and hollow.
get ready.
So lock it up,
In 4,
turn it over, legs a bit wider, and lift.
in 4, 3, 2, 1.
Good. Now we've done all of them. Just making sure I haven't missed anything out. Back to the chest fly. Are we ready? Oh, hump and hollow. Hump and hollow. Forgot this one. Forgot this one. Don't forget this one. Another one of my favourites. We're going from the top.
Get ready. In
4, 3 from the top. Here we go. Squeeze together.
in 4, 3, 2,
There we go.
1.
And open. Oh, stretch and open. And we've got the L shape, that front raise.
Get ready. In 4, 3, 2, 1. ready.
In 4, 3, 2, and 1. Here we go. Stabilise the back. Head it up in. Toes down, joint rotation. Knees to one side, head to the other side. Then we're going on to legs extended, lowering slightly into crisscross.
Get ready. In 4, 3, 2, 1.
The lower the go, the harder this is.
In 4, 3, 2, 1. Rest.
Circle round and circle round. Hip thrust next. Follow it with a knee opener, followed by a glute stretch.
Get ready.
Dumbbells. You're getting close to your bar. Push up and lightly brush the floor with your butt.
In 4, 3, 2,
Now, hips down.
rest.
Glute stretch. Breathe in, gently rock it out. Switch it over. Then we've got back extension, last exercise, back extension. Finishing off with a hump and hollow.
Get ready. In 4, 3, 2, 1. In 4, 3, 2, 1.
Now push it up. Okay, here we go. So, push it up. Dip it down.
In 4, 3, 2,
Pause. You don't have to
rest.
do too much of a stretch now because we've already stretched, but I'm going to bring you into the stretches that we did, holding them. So bring your hands like this, look down at the floor. Okay. Now then you're going to bring it back, small of the back, and squeeze and look up, stretch through that chest. Now remember the shoulder stretch that we did. So this time bring one arm across and let's hold it there. And then let that go, switch it over to the other side. Now, glute stretch. One foot in, up across. Up in and rotate.
Your training start.
Ignore that because it's not starting. We are done.
3, 2, 1.
Let's return to the other side. Then come up to standing and then just finish off here. Legs a bit wider with a side bend. And then release. And then let it go. Good, well done. Thank you for joining me this morning. I much appreciate that. Every Saturday morning at 8:30, I'll be back with a training 20. So please feel free to join it. Stay on the page for a month before it's deleted, then it will be moved. I will move it over to my YouTube channel so it'll always be there in guide, but it'll be there in a section called Training 20 where I've got my training 10s. You know, it'll be another guide which will be called Training 20. Stretch up your weight. Back a little bit. And release. Well done. Thank you.